Hi group, here is the tutorial for a brief exercise. This is 811 and we are asked to make two calculations. The first calculation is going to be the average receivable turnover, accounts receivable turnover. So we are given the net sales of 22.4 billion, the accounts receivable for the beginning of the year 2.9, and then for the end of year, which is 3.47. So first asked to compute 3M Company's receivable turnover. So the formula for this is we take the net credit sales divided by the average net accounts receivable. So first we need to determine what the average net accounts receivable is. We'll do that by adding 2.9 plus 3.47 to accounts receivable. That will give us 6.37. We'll take that, divided it by 2, which will give us our average of 3.185. So now we will take our net credit sales of 22.4 billion, divide that by our average net receivable of 1.185. That will give us our turnover. 2.4 divided by 3.185, and that is 7.03. We're going to round to 7 is our turnover. So next we are asked to compute the average collection period for accounts receivable in days. And we are also told to use 365 days for this calculation. So the formula for this collection period is you take 365 divided by your accounts receivable turnover. So we just found the turnover of 7. So this one's pretty easy. We're going to take 365 divided by 7, which will give us 52.142. We're told to round to 1 decimal place, which is 52.1. That's days. Okay, and this is 7 times. And that is how we make these calculations.